Hi, I'm Ben, Chief Customer Officer at Swytch, and today in this video, I'm going to show you the key steps to fitting the Swytch kit to your bike, covering the new Swytch MAX Plus Power Pack. So step one, open the box. And inside the box is everything you need, including the motor wheel, magnet disc, pedal sensor, charger, LED display, a mount, and the Max Plus Power Pack. So next, remove your front wheel. And then attach your tyre to the new Swytch motor wheel. And take your motor wheel and slot it into the forks. The magnet disc clips apart, so you can clip it back together again by your pedals. The pedal sensor can then be stuck in place using the adhesive strip and then secured with the cable ties provided. Then take the handlebar mount and fit it to the handlebars. Then tighten with an Allen key. Finally, take your Max Plus Power Pack and fit it to the handlebars. Then simply start pedaling and the power kicks in. If you choose the optional LED display, it will allow you to see battery level and choose power level and access basic settings. If you choose the advanced OLED display, as well as battery and power level, you'll be able to see speed and distance travelled, as well as accessing the advanced setting area.